Kubernetes has become the backbone of modern cloud-native applications, but taking it to production isn't just a technical challenge, it's a business-critical decision. Start by defining resource requests and limits for every container. This ensures stability and cost-effectiveness. Use horizontal pod autoscaler for dynamic scaling. Use node selectors, affinities, and tolerations to place your workloads intelligently. This reduces risk and improves performance. Implement redundancy at every layer, from replica sets to multi-zone deployments. Don't forget pod disruption budgets. Use liveness, readiness, and startup probes. Define thresholds tailored to your app's needs. Use persistent volumes, proper reclaim policies, and automated PVC backups to manage stateful apps. Implement Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK stack to gain visibility and actionable alerts. Leverage GitOps with Argo CD or Flux for reliable, traceable deployments. Use cluster autoscaler, spot instances, and resource quotas to avoid cloud waste. Enforce RBAC, network policies, and encryption. Integrate OPA or gatekeeper for policy enforcement. Backup etcd and PVCs. Use Valero for cluster recovery. Test your backups regularly. Avoid the latest tag in production and always plan for node upgrades and scaling. Phew, that Kubernetes Production Checklist, it's a mountain of complex, risky, ongoing work. Or Zopdev, get all that production readiness, security, availability, observability, GitOps, instantly. Stop wrestling infrastructure. Focus on your innovation. Make the smart move. Visit zop.dev to accelerate your production Kubernetes today.